What do we find to work out with today, guys? A weighted plate? Yeah! Like that? Yeah? Good. Hey, YouTube, it's your boy Reggie B. Today I'm going to show you 21 different exercises that you can do with a weighted plate. There's so many ways to build muscle, to build nice definition, and also get a great workout in. So today I'm going to show you a simple way on how you can do so. So you guys ready? Let's get it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed my video. I told you, the next time you go to the gym, or if you're at home and you do have a weighted plate at home, throw this into your next routine. I can guarantee you that you'll feel a different tension onto your muscle. Not only that, it's just great to trick the body at all times. Because once your body adapts to your workouts and your routines, you hit those plateaus and your body don't grow no more. So there's always ways to work out, whether you're in the gym, whether you're at the gym, whether you're in the park, whether you have dumbbells or weighted plates. So remember guys, hit that notification button so you know when my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you. Metamorphosis complete.